Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's World. Today we are going to see how to prepare a special birthday cake for your loved one. This is very special to me as I'm baking this cake for my mother's birthday and my mom loves coffee. Therefore I've combined chocolate and coffee to get a delicious, rich chocolate with flavor of coffee. So this is the moist, delicious Choco Mocha cake. So let's get started. Step 1. We need to first cream butter. I have taken 100 grams of butter for this recipe. You can add 200 if you're adding only butter, but I'm adding oil later on. So cream butter well. I'm using a hand whisker, but you can use an electric beater if you have. So whisk it well until the butter turns pale and forms soft peak. Now add 200 grams of sugar and mix it well. Once sugar and butter is well combined, add in vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we need to add eggs. I've already kept 3 eggs in room temperature. Add 1 egg at a time. Combine the eggs well into the butter and sugar. Now make sure the eggs are in room temperature and it should not be cold from the refrigerator, otherwise it will curdle. So once all the 3 eggs are gradually mixed well, it will turn light and pale. So we can stop at this stage. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add only a pinch of salt. Adding salt in any sweet recipe will enhance the sweetness. Now add in 100 ml of oil. I told you in the beginning, if you do not want to add oil, you can add 200 grams of butter. Now add in 100 grams of melted dark chocolate. This will give you a gooey, rich flavor. Make sure you don't skip this step and give it a good mix. So this is the base of the cake. Now let's get into step 2. So time for our dry ingredients. Here I have 200 grams of plain flour or maida, 1/4 cup of good quality cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now sieve this all together so that the flour and the cocoa will be well combined. So let's mix this into the prepared chocolate batter. Add the dry ingredients little by little and fold in the mixture. By folding the dry ingredient in the batter, you're actually letting the air to get incorporated, and this will help in getting a nice soft and fluffy cake. I've added little milk while you're folding in the batter. This will help you to have a little soft consistency and will make your cake moist. So you can add approximately 100 ml of milk, but add in little at a time as you're folding in. So our gooey chocolate cake batter is ready. Now let's take 100 ml of water, hot water. Add in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder, approximately 5 grams. Add that into the batter and mix it well. This will give you a nice coffee flavor because you're making Choco Mocha cake. Let's prepare the cake tin. Ideally do this before you start mixing your cake batter to save time. Spread butter and then layer it up with some butter paper for the base and to the sides of the tin, and then just dust it with some flour or cocoa powder to avoid cake from sticking to the tin. So here I have added the batter into the tin and it is all ready to be kept in the oven to bake. Before you keep it in the oven, just tap the cake tin for multiple times to let the air release from the cake, otherwise it will puff up and gradually drop. So let's bake this at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Step 3. So now we are going to prepare whipping cream. So I've taken around 150 grams of cream here, nice rich quality whipping cream. So leave it to boil. Once it starts to bubble, we can add in 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder of your choice. Give this all a good mix. What a lovely aroma of coffee. Coffee lovers, you must try this. Once the coffee is nicely combined, add in 25 to 30 grams of dark chocolate. Keep your chocolate quantity a little less, only then you'll get the aroma of coffee. So the cream, coffee and chocolate is all combined. So let's transfer this to a bowl. So now we have added the syrup into a separate bowl. Our job is not done. Now we need to add in around 150 to 200 grams of cream. If you're making a small cake, then you can reduce the quantity. I'm sure the cream which is going to be left back will give you a lovely chocolate ice cream for sure. Now this is all well combined. Let's leave it in the refrigerator for minimum 4 hours. But in case you do not have time, then leave it in the freezer for 30 minutes, not more than that. So here I have an ice base to make sure the cream is cool while we are beating. I had left the whipping cream in the refrigerator for 4 hours and then I left it in the freezer for 30 minutes. So it's nice and thick. Let's start beating it with an electric beater. So beat it on medium speed until it forms soft peaks. So our whipping cream is nicely forming peaks. Let's stop at this stage and leave it in the refrigerator until we start icing the cake. Step 4. The cake is nicely baked and I've removed it from the oven. It's still warm, but see, so soft and spongy it is. Very nicely done. It is still warm, so don't put on the icing now. So let it cool completely. Let's come back to it later. So the cake is completely cooled. You must give a rest time of at least 30 to 40 minutes. So here I'm smearing coffee, milk and sugar decoction onto the cake to make it soft and moist. Now let's add in our first layer of the whipping cream onto the cake. Be generous enough to spread the cream. So spread it evenly. So layer it with the second layer of the cake. I did not cut the cake. I rather baked 2 cakes and this is the second cake. I'm keeping it on top. Follow the same process of dabbing it with the coffee concoctions and then again add in the whipping cream and then you add the whipping cream all over the cake. So the entire cake is completely covered by the cream. So the entire cake is covered by the whipping cream. I'm keeping the decorations very simple. I'm just decorating it with some chocolate sprinklers on the sides and will give a very elegant look. So we're almost done. You can decorate it as per your choice and liking. So finally, here's presenting the rich chocolate choco mocha cake just for you. Hope you all enjoyed this recipe. This is a very easy recipe and very delicious, moist, rich chocolate cake with coffee flavor. Try this recipe at home. Leave your comments below and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all my videos. See you with more exciting recipes. Until then, take care. Bye bye.